People from the South. I'm from the South. I'm from Florida, and I think it's really strange because down there everybody has an accent, and I can never understand what anybody says. They're talking to each other in some sort of secret code. It's like there's a crab snaky over there and a barnacle over there, and I'm just like, I can't understand what you're saying. Sorry, that's your fault. I tried to use some of these magical words that they use, and I was at McDonald's ordering my food, and I told them I wanted the crab thing, and they said they didn't understand what I was saying, and I was like, do you know where we're at? We're in Florida, okay? Get it straight, man. Get it straight. Also, in the South, there's a lot of, ghetto places. And, you're driving through here, you see these people, and they have their bass booming, and they're just like, yeah. And they're just, weird. It's like, yeah, man, you driving in my car? Got my bass booming, like, boom. Then they start talking about, their dogs. They're like, yeah, man, I saw my dog the other day, I was driving my neighborhood, I hear it, I'm like, my neighbors are telling me not to let my dog off the fence, but my dog, he don't listen. He hops the fence, he gets blown up by my neighbors. I find this really strange because I have no idea what these people are talking about, but I just bowed my head and said, okay. And learned that conversation is somehow, so. Bye.